Alright, I'm here at the RIU Palace Baja California, and I'm going to just give you a quick room tour so you can see what the rooms look like. So let me turn the camera around. Okay, so when you go up into each corridor, there's two doors, one to the left and one to the right. I'm standing in 4135. There's only 4 floors, so I'm at the top. And my room category is the Junior Suite Oceanfront. Alright, so when you come in, there's the bathroom to the left. There's a full-length mirror. You have your closet with a 4-pin safe. You have enough hangers to store all of your clothes, hang them up. And on this side, you also have the ironing board and the iron. And here you have your coffee maker, bottles of water. You'll need that to drink as well as to brush your teeth. And they started putting the bottles back into the dispensers. I know for a while, especially when COVID first started, they took the bottles out for safety reasons, but it appears that they're starting to put them back. Hopefully it stays that way. But yeah, so there's the bottles. And right below, you have the refrigerator. So it has pop, more water. And then over here, you have some beers. Okay. There's also 24/7 room service. And I want to add that this particular property, the RIU Palace Baja California, is the adults only. There's 2 others. There's the Santa Fe and just the RIU Palace. Those are for families, okay? So you have some drawers here, as well as space to place your luggage. Then you have the TV mounted on the wall. 2-person table, as well as a little love seat. And there's some art on the wall as well. So it's quite nice. All right. And then this particular room, there's the king bed, but you can also get it with 2 queens. See, the two queens, no, 2 doubles, I'm sorry. So you can get it with 2 doubles. So it all depends on how many people you have staying in the room with you and whether or not they'll be sharing a bed. All right. Also, there's the sofa tub right in the middle of the floor going into the bathroom area. So you have a vanity mirror, have your double sinks and a place to store some things at the bottom. Have a few toiletries that they offer. There's also a hair dryer. And this area right here is the shower. So you'll see that there's the towels inside. And then if you look over, there's the shower head. Okay. You have some place to store your towels. And also with these rooms, in order for the light to actually be on, you have to place your key card into the slot. As soon as you take it out, the light goes out. There's a little bit of towel art on my bed. And let me go ahead and just show you the patio real quick. So with the Oceanfront Rooms, you are directly facing the ocean, which is different from ocean view, where as long as you have a glimpse of the room, that qualifies as ocean view. So these are the pools. And to the left, like if you, this area right here, but just go inside to the left a bit, that's where the theater is. And there's also a place that you can eat and just sit and chill, and there's a bar as well. So they have several pools that you can sit and chill at. And then there's the beach. Okay. And right over there is the arch. So that's a common place that you'll see people taking a tour to. Okay. And you have a little towel rack so you can dry your towels or your clothes if they happen to be wet, like your swimming suit or so forth. And you have 2 seats out here. You have a little place to sit your drinks. Okay. All right, so I will try to get up early enough that I can actually tour the rest of the property so you can see different aspects of the resort. I'm gonna try and do that tomorrow. And then if so, then I'll have some videos of that as well. So my name is Natasha with Perfected Travel. If you have any questions regarding this resort or any resorts for that matter, just let me know and give me, put a comment down below, or you can send me an email or a call or even a text, and I'll respond, and then we can go from there. All right, bye-bye.